everybody, and welcome back to the Stone House. Okay, so finally the video for the bedroom, and it's pretty complete. But I'd be lying to you if I told you it was 100% done. But it's as done as it's going to be for a long time. I hope you enjoy the video. Remember to like and comment. It helps the channel a lot. Appreciate it. What Sarah and I are making beadboard, and we started off with some basswood that we bought from somebody, a whole bunch of basswood, and it was dry. We bought the knives. I'm lucky I have the molding machine. We made all of our own beadboard, all of our own molding. Everything you see pretty much is wood from my property. On to the finer details. Just did the first thing of trim here. Got like some of this little stuff. And this is just some wider. And we're just kind of putting it up. Because this is, it's hard to make it look good. So it's an inch and an eighth, I think. And then a little piece that goes up there like that. I think it looks better than not doing it. It's all going to be painted the same color, which will help it, look good.
Why am I always my own enemy? Stronger is something I wanna be. Hope keeps on breaking on the kitchen floor. I want more than this. I'm not good at being nice to me. Always something else I wanna be. Every time it's different than before. I get torn from it. Ooh, I got knocked down again. Ooh, but I get back up from it. Time turned out to be a thing that burned me in the end. But pain is just a season, all the worst things always meant. A heart doesn't break even, no, I'm trying to learn to be okay with it. Cause if I can't love me in pieces, then it won't work when I'm fixed. I know I'm growing, maybe I'm just doing it slowly. I wanna turn all of my misery into something better. Nobody next to me, alone is where I'll find the best in me. I wanna learn from all the history, hold it all together. Ooh, I got knocked down again. Ooh, but I get back up from it. Time turned out to be a thing that burned me in the end. But pain is just a season, all the worst things always meant. A heart doesn't break even, no, I'm trying to learn to be okay with it. Cause if I can't love me in pieces, then it won't work when I'm fixed.
This back. And then you don't let it, like what I mean by flame that.
You all know that Sarah's always been really involved with this renovation and everything, but more so now than ever. She's painted everything. She really stained everything. She's fixing these doors, as you're about to see. She gets all the credit for the final look of this bedroom.
Looks like there's quite a bit of damage on this door. Probably dog or something scratching it. And it has been tried to be fixed, but I think I can do it better.
You've been working hard, so have I, and we've had hardly any time. But you're the only person I wanna stand by in this mess. Just for now, turn the TV down and remember how this love thing works. Take my hand, with you I'll stand through good and bad, and that's for sure. That's for sure. We'll talk until the evening's quiet, reminiscing memories of ice cream dates and road trips, getting lost in big cities. Makes me wanna stay with you. Can I always stay with you? Just for now, turn the TV down and remember how this love thing works. Take my hand, with you I'll stand through good or bad, and that's for sure. That's for sure. That's for sure.
It's been a long-standing video. Just a little bit each. Wow. Yeah. That looked like your mugshot that the night we met. Remember that? Paint this stuff before you put it up.
Yeah.
That's what the pros do.
Uh-huh.
It's not what we did.
No.
Yeah, so okay. Next time I turn the camera on will be the reveal, I think. Hopefully not very many more weeks from now. 30 minutes a day, honey, right? 30 minutes a day.
Oh, it's like 3 hours.
3 hours a day, sweetheart, just like we always say.
Do you ever think about it? How people fall in love. It's not the way that they look. That's from movies and books. It's a feeling that creeps inside. It ain't the fancy.
You know, obviously the stone side of the house is over there. We're not even really sure where the door is.
Together when it tears. It's what I got inside. It's what I'll live and I'll try to give you all of my life. Honey, I love you like the real thing. With your wrinkles and your scars. You don't have to hide them. You tell me something about your heart. And the places on your back.
Such loveliness as I possess can only truly shine in Hollywood, Aunt Sponge declared. Oh, wouldn't that be fine? I'd capture all the
It's beautiful until you start to believe. Have you ever stopped to notice how two hearts become one? They can see what they feel, hear what they mean. It's something that just can't be explained. It ain't the fancy kind. It just builds over time, holds the spirit together when it tears. It's what I got inside. It's what I'll live and I'll try to give you all of my life. I love you like the real thing. With your wrinkles and your scars.
Okay, so now I've recorded this a couple times, and I've just kind of been waiting for this room to be done, and I think it's just kind of hitting me that it's never going to be like done. So I'm just going to show you, I'm going to walk you through and show you where we are, and we've still got a little bit of work to do, but then this is going to end the bedroom, and then we're going to get moving to the kitchen. Okay, so here we go, entering the room. We are decorating things here, and we're not decorators.
So we're just trying to have fun with it, and we're just putting up things that we just like. This is something that we got at a garage sale for like 50 cents, and I just have always really liked the drawing. This is where we're not done, right? Because I just can't seem to decide on plate covers, and they're very expensive. And then you'll see here with this paint, this is that linseed oil paint, obviously, and this is 2 coats, but it is still soaking in. So we have to do another coat, and we had to order more paint. That was a lot to do with the slowdown. You can see somewhat of the difference of 3 coats, the sheen that you get, to just 2 coats. So just, I guess, keep that in mind. And then the floor also, we used Poly-X on the floor, as you saw, but we only have, I think, 2 to 3 layers or so. We absolutely love the radiators. Their performance is just so good. It's just keeps the room exactly how you want it. One little detail that we did is we did spray paint these little covers gold. I think maybe that's pewter. So we got that at an auction, just randomly saw it. We really liked it and we got it. And then at the shop, our little local shop, same place where we got that shelf, they had that. And I was like, we had to get it. But yeah, they match. I think it's great. Just Sarah and I get like a little matching tables. And then this is kind of like my side. And I made this little shelf. You've probably seen it in the video. And I decorated all this by myself. We've got some, this is not just decor. These are real brass, like opera house binoculars that work. And so I can see birds, deer, whatever I look at. The kids made this for me, I think. Lily. This is something that we found in the wall of the house when we demoed. It says, "Good luck, you'll need it." And then this is a picture from Sarah and me when we got married. I'm just showing you everything, aren't I? Okay, so we're not big TV people. We're really not. We watch a few select shows, but we like to do it sometimes at night. We will watch like an hour, hour and a half maybe. And we didn't want to look at the TV all the time. And so I took this maple dresser, and I'll show you, but it opens up. I could have made this fancy probably, but you just kind of carefully pick it out of here. And then TVs are very light nowadays. It's funny that now you can get a 32-inch TV for like $90. And it's Wi-Fi, this, that, I don't know. It does everything. It has games, I think. $100. This dresser, you know, I kind of already ruined it because I was going to use it for a sink base. I cut the top all apart, and then I ended up not liking it. So now I get to use it. It wasn't very difficult. I have some video, I believe, maybe, of making it. I don't know if that will ever become anything. The top of it is an old church pew that we got. And I just put a little router. It's a piano hinge. It's a couple of days of frustration. No big deal. Yeah, we went with dark shades, and they're not anything super fancy. I think they were like the cheapest dark wood looking ones that we could get. Sarah made those little curtains. The big thing would be, you know, this awesome ceiling display. I know it's bright, but I have to have the lights on or else I cannot record in here. The fan is perfect for the space. It's a DC motor, so it kind of starts up like an old plane propeller. I don't know. Once it gets going, it's a great fan. And I didn't do this on purpose, and this would work in any room, so I'm not a genius, but it's awesome because when it moves the air, it moves it down like this, and it's just like perfect circulation. It really is nice. That's on the lowest setting, and it really does a good job. I'm hopeful that in the winter time, because these are Amish windows that we have. Yeah, so these are single paned Amish windows that we have. And so, yeah, they transfer some heat. That's okay. That's what it is. But what's important is that we move a lot of air in the room in the winter time. So this is going to do a great job of just circulating air and keeping those windows frost free. And you might say, hey, why'd you take such a long time? You know, like I milled everything that you see here, right? We put all these pieces up singular, and most of it's salvaged too. Why would you go through that kind of work and then just put in what some people would call a crappy window? I don't know. We're crazy. Like, there's no rhyme or reason. It's just they're dirty. It's dusty. There's no rhyme or reason. People do things. Oh, let me show you this. My friend, Ian, I've linked him on Instagram many a times. You can find it on Instagram. But he made this piece of art for me a long time ago. And we've been keeping it safe. And then I made the frame. Kind of was going with the theme. You can see it's like a playhouse that's being blown apart. And I had all this little lumber. Let's see more details. So this is like really cool old doorknob that we found. It's wiggly, it's wobbly. I love it. And then this old door had a hole, so we just got these little brass things and we glued them onto the door. Both sides. Both sides. Bathroom will not be done for a long time. Those closet doors weren't painted until very recently. We had to, Sarah had to do a repair because this one looked like it was chewed on by our rabid 4-year-old. And so she repaired it, and now she's painting them, and they look great. We have glass knobs for them, which is going to be amazing because when the sun does come through, if you guys were not in camera land, the lighting in here is just amazing when the sun comes through. It's so cool. And I think if I put glass knobs on this, it would just be really like a fun detail because they're gonna glow. I had my desk there while I was working from home, but we can't do that anymore. So I am in the office again, and so that's no longer needed for an office space. So we'll probably put, I don't know, something there. And same with this little area here. I would like to I'm thinking about maybe just putting the couch or like a little love seat couch kind of thing here, and then maybe the TV thingy over here, and just kind of keep that.
I think I rambled on for another hour or so. I saved you the spiel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being part of this. And I'm looking forward to showing you the next video. Don't know when that will be, but it will be. See you all soon. Bye.